Subscribe to Rajshri Food and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Hello and welcome to Rajshri Food. I'm your host Ruchi Bharani, and in today's episode I'm going to be showing you two versions of a very simple drink, and the base flavor of this drink is khus. So let's start with adding khus syrup into the blender. You can even use rose, it tastes equally good. Is this green syrup that is available readily in the market. So now let's add about 3 tablespoons of this nice sugary syrup into the blender. Next, I'm going to add in some lime juice. Into this, I'm going to add few cubes of ice. Next, I'm going to add in some black salt. If you don't have black salt, you can just add some white salt, that's absolutely fine. So about half a teaspoon of black salt. Let's just blend it once. And now into this I'm going to add a cup of soda. Let's just blend it very quickly. In a glass, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of sabja or basil seeds that are soaked in cold water for 2 hours. This also helps in cooling your system down. So it's really good to have some of this during summer. Let's pour in the cold khus drink. Let's just add in a little bit of soda for the fizz. Let's just garnish it with a lime wedge, and this drink is ready. Let's start with the second one. This one also has 3 simple ingredients. So the first step is, again, let's add in around 3 to 4 tablespoons of the khus syrup. Next, I'm going to add in a cup of ice cream. I just have some vanilla ice cream here. And into this, I'm going to add in only 2 cubes of ice. Let's blend this together. Let's pour this into a glass. And now, into this, I'm going to add in some Sprite. Let's place in a stirrer and a lime wedge. And this drink is ready. I've shown you 2 versions of the khus drink. So do give these a try and also share your recipe or your version in the comment section below. Do subscribe to Rajshri Food and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.